Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia cademia espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was pretty much leaking from the spout assembly. This thing right here. Let me remove it so you can actually see. So it was leaking from underneath here because this thing was cracked. It was no longer providing a good juice, so the coffee was going all around it. So we ended up replacing it. As you can see, coffee now comes out from here, and there's no leaks around the spouts or anything like that. We also replaced the ground sensor, which is this one right here. It was malfunctioning and it just definitely need to be replaced. It was probably partially the water coming out from here that damaged it. As you can see, there's some coffee stains around here and the connector around it. So yeah, that could have probably been the case. So that's all we did with this machine. We just pretty much replaced those spouts and the coffee ground container. So right now we're testing the machine to do a cappuccino. We already did the espresso to you so you can see it. So by testing the machine with the cappuccino, we'll test pretty much everything with the machine, including the frother as well. We're going to be using water instead of milk, but we'll still be able to see how the water siphons through the frother. As you can see, water comes out properly fine and it's fully through the system. It's not going to look the exact same as with milk. You can see a good flow and really good temperature coming out. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.